Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to gaming setup in mobile. Start by selecting a phone with a high refresh rate and active cooling, then add a responsive controller and a reliable mount. Prioritize battery solutions like power banks and fast charging so you avoid interruptions. Optimize settings for performance over visuals and enable game mode for reduced latency. Finally, plan audio and networking to keep your sessions smooth and enjoyable. Choose performance-first settings and cooling to keep frame rate stable during extended play. Close unneeded apps, enable battery saver exceptions for your game, and consider a cooling fan or case to dissipate heat. Use wired Ethernet adapters or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for the best connection. Monitor temperature and battery health to balance gameplay and device longevity, while keeping your controls responsive and lag-free throughout sessions. Pair low-latency earbuds or a wired headset to hear footsteps and cues precisely while keeping voice chat clear. Customize controller mappings and sensitivity so actions feel natural and accurate. For multiplayer, prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired adapter to reduce lag and packet loss. Test network conditions before ranked matches and consider Co-S on your router to prioritize gaming traffic, ensuring consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.